25% of the population at the Accra Stadium. Now Gama swings one in. Oh, beautiful. Asante KOTOKO are up by 1 goal. Awesome flick. Augustine Okra. 30 minutes. And the Royals are down by 1. The Porcupines are ahead. That is an exciting goal. Beautiful, beautiful from Augustine Okra.
Yeah,
the build-up.
If you're a KOTOKO fan, you'll be happy with it. If you're a Legon City fan, you're wondering where the defense was. But the last time KOTOKO scored on 13th minute it was against Bidiama. It was Emmanuel Jensen. Here it is again. It's happened again on 13th minute. But take a look at Okra. They're making the run to the near post. That's what you'd expect him to make. But the marking wasn't there. Nobody gets in tight to him enough. It's not the most convincing of touches, but it's a delicate one. Beats the goalkeeper, Honu. The cross from Gama, it's like it's a decent ball into the box. You're expecting the defenders to close in on Okra and deal with him.